Welcome to our channel, FASTCABLING. So today, we are taking the power of outdoor switches to the next level by learning how to remotely power them. So imagine having the flexibility to provide power to your outdoor switch from a distance. A remote power solution offers significant advantages, especially in scenarios where accessing power sources can be challenging or costly. And in outdoor environments where switches might be deployed in remote location, the ability to provide power remotely brings about unparalleled flexibility and convenience. And one key advantage lies in the cost-effectiveness of remote power setup. By eliminating the need for dedicated power line to each switch location, users can achieve substantial cost saving in installations and maintenance. And this becomes particularly relevant in expansive outdoor network, where reducing infrastructure costs is the priority. Additionally, remote power solutions enhance the adaptability of outdoor switch installation. They allow for strategic placement of switches based on the network requirement rather than being restricted by proximity to power sources. And this flexibility in deployment contributes to the efficiency and scalability of outdoors network, ensuring they meet the demand of dynamic environments. And outdoor PoE pass-through switches are designed to transmit both data and power to connected devices over a single Ethernet cable, eliminating the need for separate power lines. And this not only simplifies the installation process, but is particularly advantageous in remote outdoor locations where accessing power sources can be challenging. And the key feature is the ability to extend power to devices like IP cameras, access point, or other network devices while maintaining data connectivity. This functionality is essential for ensuring that devices in outdoor environment receive both the required power and maintain communication with the network. And these switches often come equipped with weatherproof and ruggedized features built to withstand harsh elements, including temperature extremes, moisture, and dust. This robust construction ensures the switch's reliability and longevity in challenging outdoor settings, making them a valuable component for remote power application in outdoor network. And when selecting an outdoor PoE pass-through switch, one of the primary considerations is the power budget of the switch, as the combined power requirements of the connected devices, such as IP cameras or access point, and choose a switch that can provide sufficient power to meet this need. Pay attention to the power over Ethernet standards supported, ensuring compatibility with the devices in the network. And the number of ports on the outdoor pass-through switch is also another critical factor. Evaluate the quantity of devices that you plan to connect and choose a switch with an adequate number of ports to accommodate your network requirements. Additionally, check the switch compatibility with the outdoor devices, considering factors like PoE standard, data transfer rates, and any specific requirements of the connected equipment. So now we're in front of the demonstration board. We're going to use our outdoor pass-through switch to connect with the bullet camera and a wireless access point. So let's do it from the beginning. First, we have a router here. I'm going to use a short patch cord to connect the router to our network video recorder so we can display video footage. And then I'm going to use another short patch cord to connect with our injector. Now this is a 90 watts PoE injector. This is the data input port. I'm going to plug in the Ethernet cable from the router so we get data. And this injector can inject up to 90 watts of power into the Ethernet cable and transmit to our pass-through switch. I'm going to connect the PoE output port with our 100 meters Ethernet cable. It has a special mounting tool so you can mount it on a DIN reel, just like this. Whoops. Coming over here, we have 100 meters Ethernet cable, and this is our pass-through switch. Now, this pass-through switch is an extremely reliable networking system for outdoor application with highly flexibility on installation. You can use the existing cable network to provide power and data to 7 PoE devices with only one cabling between the main network and the PoE power switch. It has a total power budget of 95 watts and the power output is up to 30 watts per port. And you can receive power from our BT PoE injector. No need for power source present at the edge. So now I'm going to plug in the Ethernet cable from our PoE injector. Keep in mind, only port number 8 can receive the power. And you can see the indicated light is on. Now you can connect up to 7 devices as you need. I'm going to plug in 2 Ethernet cables since we're connecting to 2 devices. As you can see, our bullet camera and a wireless access point, the indicated lights are on, so they're getting both power and data through this pass-through switch. And on the monitor, our video is already displaying. I'm going to wave my hand to show you this is a live video. So the whole connection is done now. So when deploying an outdoor PoE pass-through switch, several key tips can enhance the reliability and efficiency of your outdoor network. First and foremost, effective power budget management is crucial. It is essential to carefully calculate the combined power requirement of the connected devices and ensure that this total power demand falls within the switch capacity. Additionally, consider distance limitation for both power and data transmission. The outdoor PoE pass-through switch should be strategically located within an acceptable range to ensure reliable power delivery to the connected outdoor devices. Furthermore, it is wise to explore redundancy option. Implementing a backup power source or deploying redundant switches. And this redundancy adds an extra layer of reliability to your outdoor network, ensuring continuous operation even in challenging conditions or during unexpected outages. So that's all for today. Congratulations, you've just mastered the art of remotely powering an outdoor switch. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorial. And thank you very much today. Empower your outdoor network with the convenience of remote power.